Hi, first of all, my name is Alberto Di Martino. I have experience working with production-ready microservices and greenfield projects, mainly working in Java and Kotlin. I'm always eager to learn new technologies. I'm also an early adopter of Kotlin and Spring Boot 2.0. The course overview. First, we're going to build a search app backend using Spring Boot 5.0. Here we're going to cover the basics of Spring. We're going to learn about controllers, HateOS, and many other things. On session 2, we're going to build a search application UI for our backend using Angular 6. Here we're going to introduce the basics of Angular like components and templates. On session 3, we're going to build a pet store backend using Spring 5.0. We're also going to use Spring Data Reactive with MongoDB, and we're going to implement reactive Spring Security. On the last session, we're going to build the UI for this pet store backend using Angular 6. We're also going to learn new things about Angular like services, HTTP client, and Angular pipes. Pre-requirements. For this course, you should have experience working with Java, better if it's Java 8. You should be familiar with the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You should have experience working with an IDE, better if it's IntelliJ, and everything else I will help you. Course goals. At the end of this course, you should be able to build robust full-stack applications using Spring 5 and Angular 6. You should be able to implement Spring Security with Flux. You should be able to explain and apply the basics fundamentals of Angular, like services, components, and templates. And you should be able to use Spring Data Reactive to communicate with databases.